I need you to sign a sell ticket for a client of mine. Greg said...
Fuck Greg. Let's deal with this prick right now and get it over with.
Wait. Chris, I got arrested last night.
What?
The FBI arrested me because of my involvement in the firm.
Your involvement with the firm? What the fuck does that mean?
Come on, Chris, you know what that means.
No, I don't know what that means. What does that mean? What the fuck did you tell them?
No, they knew everything. Chris, there was nothing I could do.
What did you do?
Chris, the FBI are gonna raid this place in 20 minutes.
Fuck are you talking about? Shit.
Come on, man. I asked you for months about shit going down here and you told me to shut the fuck up and get ready to become a millionaire. We screw people out of their money, Chris.
What do you want me to tell you? That's what we do here.
We lie. We're liars.
Seth, yes. What are they coming for?
They're coming for everyone. They're coming for everything. Right now, this moment is what you should be thinking about. What are you going to do in the next 15 minutes?